The Department of Environment and Natural Resources has begun its massive dismantling of fish pens here at the Laguna Lake. Aside from allowing the lake to heal after years of overcrowding, government wants to give small fisher folks a chance to catch more fish so they can sustain their livelihood. 59-year-old Presco Quisquino says he risked sailing out today when he heard about the dismantling.
Nasisiyahan po kami sapagkat una sa lahat, kung pupunta man kami sa kabila, sure na malapit ako. Kasi noon po kung i-offer nila ito, doon pa kami ikot sa kabila, kaya po lumalayo yung aming pagtakbo. Eh sa mahal po ng gasolina natin po ay hindi na po kami sa makarating sa lugar na pupunta namin.
So kaya, ito pwede na kayo mag-isda dito ngayon, pwede na.
Pwede na po sa bagan, marami po bangka, kaya kami pumasok na rin po kami. Baka sangali na pumasok. Kahit alam namin hindi bawal pa.
On Thursday, the DENR has begun dismantling 100 hectares of fish pens owned by two firms, Christian Fishing Corporation and East West Fishing Corporation. Laguna Lake Development Authority General Manager Joey Medina says they want to clear at least 2,000 hectares before the end of June. He believes it's time to allow small fisher folks like Quisquino to benefit from Laguna Lake.
At ang gusto natin, sa lalong madaling panahon, maipakita natin na itong lawang ito, itong Laguna Lake, na regalo sa atin ng Panginoon, biyaya na galing sa Diyos, hindi dapat ang nakikinabang yung mayayaman lang eh. Hindi dapat ang kumikita lang yung malalaking korporasyon. Kumita na kayo, napagkitaan nyo na yan, yumaman na kayo dyan. Ngayon naman, ibabalik natin sa maliliit na mangingisda, ibabalik natin sa ordinaryong mamamayan, yung pakinabang ng lawa.
Medina has relatives who used to fish in Laguna Lake but were harmed by men who guard these fish pens. Quisquino says he's still afraid of fishing where the huge fish pens used to be located. But now that the dismantling has started, environment officials hope small fisher folks like him can freely fish in the lake without fearing for their lives. G. Geronimo Rappler, Rizal.